Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Jamil once again. So let's see where market can move and how we can plan for tomorrow. First things, last day we have done discussed the market can be opening the gap up because Facebook stock was earning report, and after closing the market it has moved continuously more than 15%. It's something like 17 to 18% market has been moved on the upside, and due to this reason market also has opened the gap up, and that we had a plan yesterday, and we had a plan that after opening the gap up, as soon as it crossed for 13,200 round level, we can buy in the market, because this was the resistance was very weak because multiple time has been tested by the buyer, so chances are very high it can be breakout on the upside. But market directly opened 13,000 near on 13,300 and 280 80 50 80 or 75 something. So our target was for today 13,300 or 13,350. This is what we planned for yesterday. That we had make a plan for today. But after opening the gap up, market in a 50-minute time frame continuously was going for selling. And what we planned, if market going for the selling, market going to be on the range that could be 13,200 and 13,000 round level. This could be the range for today that we had planned. But the moment he was started making a double pattern is the trend reversal sign, and it can go on the higher side. This is the first sign that market go on the higher side. Double pattern. This is how price recover. It was continuous in the down pressure, but after 12:30, now you understand the timing of the market. 12:30 and morning 9:30 to 10:30. That 1 hour market has been a volatile. It can be trending on in first morning hour, and if you talk about the second half, that could be going to start after 12:30 to 1:30. It's the second half where market can move also. So after exactly 12, I think 12:30 or even 11:30 near on, market is started making a W pattern. This is the W pattern. This is the trend reversal sign. W pattern I always talk about in my previous video also. If you go and check out my previous video, that this is the confirmation that market the trend was going to reverse. So after making this kind of reversal pattern, and the moment 13,200 again, as soon as it crossed, we had a plan that 13,200, if it is cross the market, it can go on the higher side. So market has been moved more than 400 point. Today is the day market has been moved 400 point from the bottom on the higher range. So now is how we can plan for tomorrow. Important point, we need to find out what is important point for the market. 13,500, no doubt this is going to be a very crucial resistance for the market, because as a round level it need to support, it need to respect the market. So this level going to be act as a resistance for the current market. If he wants to go, you need to wait, the market need to open above flat. If market going to open the flat for tomorrow from this range, which is 13,450 13,440 45, in this range, if market going to open for tomorrow, as soon as it cross 13,500, you can buy in the market. But generally market need to expect, if the good things we can get after opening the flat, if it is going to hold for 15 to 20 25 minutes, then it is break, then is we can get the very good momentum on the upside. But if it is going to be break, we will going to take a trade for this, but a small quantity. This is our first plan. The target going to be generally 13,600 650. This is going to be a decent target for tomorrow after opening and the flat, and as soon as it cross. But if you see that market is spending time, which is on 15-minute time frame range, 15 to 20 minutes, then that's just a confirmation, or it could be still positive upside momentum after spending the time few time on the upside range due to the resistance, because market 13,500 again, this is important round level, and market need to respect. If market need to respect, then he need to spend the time, then he break out, then we can planning for buying on the upside. This is the first plan. Suppose market directly opening the gap down, if this could be possible, because the Amazon stock has earning report failed. So if you go and check the Amazon stock, it has failed more than, I didn't see the percentage, but I saw the chart. It started falling down. So that was that was the possibility that tomorrow market going to even on the gap down, which is could be 13,300, 13,250, or this kind of range market could be possible. So look like that market going to open for tomorrow. If something gap down, which is more than 200 250, then market going to be on the range. and tomorrow is Friday, also expiry day. And generally Wednesday and Thursday is the best day to market going on the trending market. We can get the trending market, and the Friday going to be expiry. All the premium going to be decay. So trend is little hard to get for Friday. And if market directly over in the gap down, then there could be two possibility. Both the buyer, that was the buyer trend, they're going to be confused, and the seller try to sell in the market, but buyer will try to protect the market from this range. So 300 13,000, 13,100, and 13,500, this is going to be a range for tomorrow. It's look like very wide range, but 13,500 and 13,000 going to be very good support and resistance for the market. If market directly open the gap down, then it's going to be a volatile market. Trend will little hard to get, but we can plan for after 12:50. If market going to break, if market going to move somewhere after 12:30 to 1:30, then we can plan. But in morning or after opening the gap down, you need to wait because market going to be on the volatile. So I hope you understand the point what we can plan for tomorrow. So let's see on S&P 500. S&P 500 will be the similar analysis that we have planning for tomorrow. Anything above flat 4,280, as soon as it cross 4,300 round level, you can buy in the market, and the target going to be 13,040, 340, I mean 320, 4,330 and 4,304. This is going to be a decent target for tomorrow after opening the flat. And as soon as it cross, it need to cross 13,000 or 4,300 cross, then we can buy in the market. And anything gap down, market going to be on the sideways to volatile market. So there is no any confirmation for the trend for tomorrow. Then we need to see the price action after opening the gap down, but it should be after second half 12:30 to 1:30. We can plan. If you want to take a trade after opening the gap down, you can make a plan after 12:30 to 1:30. So I hope you understand all of the points. So let's see which stock we can trade for tomorrow. The first stock will going to be, hold on. Uh-oh. Procter and Gamble. Procter and Gamble. This is going to be our first target that we're going to buy for tomorrow. If you remember that we were also about to buy in this range after seeing this bullish candle, we are about to buy the market, but market has been fall down aggressively from here. But again, market has pulled back on the upside. So it now is make a small trend line on the upside. Now 163.40 the last traded price. As soon as it cross 164, you can buy in the market, and it can go on the higher side because all of the resistance level has been tested multiple times. Chances are very high if it is cross 164, it can be go on the higher side. So it is good enough to make 1:2 for tomorrow. Procter and Gamble 164 our buying point. If 164 cross, as soon as it cross, we can buy in the market for tomorrow. And the second stock will come out, McDonald. It is also a very good price action. Now market has made a very good strong pattern. If I draw the line here, you may understand it is trying to make a double pattern. There is another sign that market can go on the higher side. The seller definitely 260 sustaining. So one, if market going to cross 256 are going to be our buying target, buying point for execute our trade. As soon as it cross 150 to 256, we can buy in the market. So we can get 1:2 target will going to be 1:2 for tomorrow. And yeah, this is our all analysis. So I hope you enjoy the video, friends. If you enjoy the video and learn something, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button, and I will see you in the next video again. Thank you very much.